Hey squad, it's your girl Starr-Girl Mika, Tameka, Starr-Girl. I'm here in Florida, ready to tell y'all how I went back to Jamaica after being undocumented for 20 years and getting help from, of course, Brad Bernstein and the Spar Bernstein team. So, of course, you guys know I live in Florida. I watched the Brad show on Facebook, and I decided I'm going to read a few of their success stories, which is what I did. After reading their success stories, I decided I'm going to hire Spar Bernstein. After I went to an interview and it was unsuccessful. Called Spar Bernstein the same day I went to the interview, spoke to an attorney, made my consultation appointment the same day, hired Spar Bernstein within a week, and of course they were successful in getting me my green card. Got my green card this year, 2023, after waiting for 20 years. If it wasn't Spar Bernstein, I would not be where I am right now. They changed my whole life, y'all. Of course, I got my green card, and the first thing I had to do was plan a trip back to Jamaica. And of course, I decided to take my son, who is American born. He's 9 years old. He has never been to Jamaica, never been on a plane, and he got to go home with me back to Jamaica. It was really exciting. And my daughter, who is a flight attendant for JetBlue, big up to my daughter. She made sure her mom got there. My son got to meet my brothers, who he had not met since he was born. First of all, going back home, planning my trip, I was nervous and excited at the same time. I had dreams about going back home and didn't know it was going to be possible. Spar Bernstein made sure I got rid of that thought. And so when the day came, I was so nervous. My mom said to me, I know you're going to cry. My mom is here. She's a legal resident. She went on the trip with me also. Once I got on the plane, I was excited, I was ready. But when I got emotional was when the flight attendant announced that welcome to Kingston, Jamaica. Oh my God, I made sure I had a window seat, and I was looking out that window and I'm like, I'm really in Jamaica. And I got emotional for a bit, and I started crying a little bit. I couldn't believe I was home. I'm about to get emotional right now. I couldn't believe I was home. We landed. Oh my God, I was all dressed up, looking all cute and everything for my trip. When I saw my brother, y'all, I wasn't crying, I was bawling. I was crying, and everybody was looking at me. Seeing my brother was, oh my God, it was the best thing ever. And that's my older brother. I hadn't seen the young one yet. We hadn't gotten to him yet. And I'm getting emotional. It was everything. I had dreamed of being at my brother's house. I had dreamed of eating that ice cream cake that I love so much. I had dreamed of eating that roast yam and saltfish. That is the first thing I wanted. My son wanted KFC. As soon as my son landed, he wanted some Jamaican KFC. And it was a joy. So after I met my brother at the airport and finished crying and all, we went to meet up with my younger brother, Tyrone. My big brother, he took me to Williamsfield, and I actually had some good roast yam and saltfish. Big up to Teresa, shop number 7. Never forget that. My son even had roast yam too. I did not know this little American boy was going to eat that, but he did. And he asked for extra butter, of course. My brother found me some Jamaican ice cream cake, my favorite. And he got me like 3. No, I didn't eat all of them at once. I wanted to, but I didn't. I also got to go to Dunn's River Falls. My son climbed Dunn's River Falls with me. And that was a moment. I had a big cookout. I invited family, from near and far who haven't seen me in a long time, 20 years that is. And we had an awesome day. And I went to Kingston to visit my family. And by the time I got to my old home where I migrated from when I left Jamaica, I think everybody was actually texting everybody to say Tameka is here. Tameka is actually here. Next thing I knew, I saw people coming from north, south, east, west. Everybody was coming. It was amazing. It was one of the best things that ever happened to me in 20 years was going back home to Jamaica. All thanks to Brad Bernstein, Spar Bernstein, the whole Spar Bernstein law firm. I can never stop bigging up y'all. Thanks to the squad, the congratulations, the support. And I just want to say, anyone who is out there who thinks that they will never get through, the day will come when you'll be able to go back and see your family. Your time will come. Mine came, thanks to Spar Bernstein. And a lot of people are saying, how did I use Spar Bernstein being in Florida and Spar Bernstein is in New York? I never thought about that. I asked the question, are you able to represent me? I'm in Florida. And they said yes. And the communication was awesome. We talked through emails. We talked through text. We talked through phone calls. Whenever I called my attorney, even if my attorney is not available at the time, once I left a message, I got a call back. Trust me, you can do it. It doesn't matter where you are in America. It doesn't even matter if you're in Paris or you're in Pakistan or you're in Cuba. Hire Spar Bernstein. They have a payment plan, which is what I did. I just want to once again thank you, Brad. Lots of kisses to Brad. Thank you for the show, Brad Show Live. Thank you for the squad. Thank you, Spar Bernstein, for helping me through my journey. Y'all literally saved me. I am happy. I'm living my best life now after getting my green card. So thank you, Spar Bernstein. I love y'all. I love the whole team, the squad, everyone. Thank you.